Good evening, traders. David with David Trades 385. And in this video, I just wanted to do a quick tutorial on how I set up my quantity size in Thinkorswim. In my past videos, we went over how to set up my bracket order, how I set up my bracket order. Let me go ahead and share my screen so I can show y'all. Let's do a recap. All right, so this is the Thinkorswim desktop platform. This is what I use or I like the most. If I had to rate the desktop, web, and the mobile, desktop is definitely number one. I want to say that's light years ahead of the web. Web is doable, and then the mobile, in my opinion, uh, I do not place orders on my mobile whatsoever. But anyway, in past videos, or in my past video, we went over how to set up my bracket order. Most of you guys know I am a 20 cent profit target trader, which means I want to get at least 20 cent of profit, which is times 100 because every contract is 100 shares. So $20 in profit. But what I also do is I take some off the table. So if my target is 20 cent, and let's say I purchase 10 contracts, what I like to do is take half of that 10 off the table. So I'll take five off the table. I'll bank that at 10 cent, move my stop to protect that profit, and then let the other half, which is the other five, potentially run to the 20 cent target. And we went over how to set that up. And that's basically what you see right here that I'm circling in my mouse. I have my first take profit at 10, second take profit at 20, which both stops are at 20. So if it goes against me, it'll take me out of the trade completely. Here, quantity size and increments is what which is commonly asked and what has been asked of me. I actually was reminded on how to show that or how I have mine set up today. So that's why we're doing a quick video on that right now. So let's get to it. So once you have your work place set up, like you can have it like mine's with the three charts, or you can have one. That's really up to you. And you want to get your order book set up, just go up to the gear icon, setup, down to application settings, and then over to order defaults. And you can do it for stocks, you can do it for options, futures options, and forex. For this example, we're going to do options. And I'm a market guy. I like to get in right in as the market, right then and there, the most available price, whatever the available price is. I want to get in right there. And then you can change the quantity max to 20, 50, 100, whatever you want to do. But for this example, I have a default as one, but default quantity order, and that's going to be basically this first button here. It's a one, but if you want to say your default is going to be 2, 5, 10, that's going to be the first button here. The other buttons are going to default to how TOS see fit. I don't know the math behind it, but you'll see that in a second. And then the quantity increments, as you add here or down, you can determine how it goes up or down in increments. So if you want to go up in twos, 4, 6, that could be up to you. All right, but for this example, we're going to start with the default, and let's say this default is at 2. All right, so that's going to be the default button here. So it's going to say 2. I think it's going to be 6, so on and so on. And then the increments, let's go up. Let's go up 2. All right, just to make it clear and plain. Go down to application settings. So now you see they went from, I forgot what it was, 1 to 2, 6, 10, 20, 40. And then the increments is going to be twos, 4, 6, 8. It's going to go up by twos. All right. So that's it. Pretty quick, pretty simple. That was it. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment. Until next time, guys. Peace.